Hi, I'm Rebecca with Badger Welder. I've been here a few months now, so today I'm going to learn how to use the Badger Welder. We're going to be doing flex core MIG welding today. This will actually be my first time welding ever, so that'll be interesting. Today we have Daniel here who is going to be showing me how to weld, so let's get started. Here, Daniel is showing me that you have to uncoil the grounding clamp and then you connect that to your workpiece. And then we're going to uncoil the MIG gun. It also has a handy dandy little hook, which is really nice. You also loosen up the spool tensioner and then turn it on. And then you can also adjust your wire speed if needed.
The thing is, if they're slag, you drag. So that means you're
going to be slag.
So flux, if there's no gas, you get a slag out of it. It's a little powder on it. When you're stick welding, you get a big cone. That you chip away. So that means your puddle. So your puddle is your little dot you make there. You're really going to be going this way.
And you just drag it?
You can.
Or do you hover?
You kind of hover.
You
dragging, if you actually are tight, you might start to burn in and it'll grab. So you kind of stay up a little bit.
Yeah.
Probably a nice 45 kind of in there. You want your wire kind of right in there. And you want to be closer than that when you're doing it. Around the welding yet.
I know. All right.
Slower. Quite a bit slower.
Okay.
Pretty much, just kind of hold it there, start it. Very slow, very slowly. And you can get the tip of it closer to the metal as well.
Okay. That doesn't look good.
It can go a lot slower. Not bad. You're getting high, so that's where you gotta watch it and make sure you're kind of right in that 90, right in the corner there. Could go even slower still. Yep. So pretty much the thing is, when it sounds like bacon, that's when you're doing good. Kind of sizzling.
All right, so we just got done welding. We're gonna let the Badger Welder cool off a little bit before we pack it all up. It's definitely a lot harder than it looks to get a good bead. Definitely gonna have to practice my skill a little bit. But the Badger Welder is super easy to use, super easy to figure out, especially for a first-time welder. So I highly recommend it. I appreciate you all coming with me, learning how to weld. For more information about the Badger Welder, you can visit our website at www.badgerwelder.com.